Alright guys, Slow Speed just pulled up.
I'm the guy, right? I watched the commercial and they do all this crazy stuff, right? I bought the car because I want to do what they do in the commercial. You get what I'm saying? You know?
What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually going to be meeting up with Mike from Slow Speed. So we're going to head over to the same spot as always. He's going to bring his G82 M4. We're going to check it out. We're going to hang out. As you guys know, I have a new M car coming. Now I'm not saying it's an M4, but I think it's going to be cool to check out his car. I've seen it already, but we never really got to see it in detail. Probably have him like walk us through it and stuff like that, similar to the video with Justin. Just get to check out his car and hang out. Alright guys, Slow Speed just pulled up. Got my boy right here.
What's up?
We also got Justin too with his 435. You guys remember that car?
Just here.
Did you say just here? just here. Bro, there's a point in that video where you're like, I'm just here. I'm like, you're like frozen. Just stuck.
I'm just like stuck.
Stuck on what?
Just right here.
But yeah, anyways, if you guys don't know Slow Speed, he has the G82 M4. We filmed a few videos together.
Yeah, a couple.
Yeah, but yeah, so he's gonna walk us around the M4. Yeah, I mean, even since we filmed before, like you've done a few more things to it. So,
well, the most important thing I think, because there's not a lot of stuff done to the car, visual carbon fiber. This thing has literally almost every carbon fiber piece on here that I'd recommend. All Keys carbon stuff, you know. Front
yeah, shout out to Keys, man.
Even though it's a little bit filthy.
It's alright, man. It's winter in New York. Like we have an excuse. Mirror caps. Are you guys gonna do that?
No.
Is Keys doing that?
So I'm leaving mirror caps black.
Okay.
And I'm leaving this fin black and this black right here. I'm leaving it black.
Okay.
To be all the way honest with you, the main reason I'm leaving it black is because the things that I have installed are the things that I enjoy and they look really nice doing.
Yeah.
I've always had trouble taking this off and putting on an aftermarket one. I feel like it's not as secure as the OEM one would ever be.
Yeah.
And this is the same thing. They have carbon fiber options and I'm pretty sure a lot of people won't screw up the job. I like to DIY my stuff, and this mirror, the glass can break. You know, the carbon might not line up as perfect. I might snap some clips. I've done it before.
But I mean, some of the things that you did do was like the front lip, the canards, right?
The canards. I just recently put the grill on.
Yeah, the canards are actually, you know, I've never been a fan of them. They actually look pretty dope.
You know what, I'll be honest too. Brian, he asked me, he's like, so what don't you want? Like, he's super cool. He gave me the option to figure everything out.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, I've never been a huge fan of the canards, but at the end of the day, so many things about this car changed my mind. I didn't think I was gonna lower it. I didn't want an exhaust, but once you start adding these things, you know, and there's a thin line between modifying BMW's ricey and then classy.
Yeah.
And I think that pretty much everything that I did is on that line. Like, I think I'm pretty good.
No, I mean, I agree. I think everything that you did was super, super classy. I mean, an M4, I feel like, you probably agree with this. I feel like in general, the new M4s and M3s kind of like, they just feel a little more classy.
Yeah.
They feel a little more luxurious. A little more exclusive. I mean, they're more expensive too, so you pay for it. But like, I told Mike how much I paid for my new M car.
Yeah.
His reaction said it all. Yeah, I'm going broke.
This car that sets it apart, even from like the F80s and stuff like that. The F80s had competition seats.
Yeah.
But these ones come with the carbon backs. You know what I mean? So it's like there's a bunch of different.
Sick. Is it unlocked?
Yeah, go ahead.
I need to learn how to. Well, actually, no, I shouldn't say that because I shouldn't spoil what I got.
You can kind of tell a little bit based off of where my handprints are. But I'll show you how I get in the car to help me out.
Yeah, please.
I get it like this, and then I just put my hand right here, and
oh my God, bro, this is a process.
That's literally how I do it. And like getting in and out, like you just.
Oh my God. I'm gonna try to do it a different way. So
do it however you want, man. Yeah.
Let's see. That wasn't too bad.
See, that's the thing, though. You're a little more fit. See, you fit in that little. I can't, bro. I'm too big for that little. You know, that little pocket.
Feels so good. Yeah. Did I turn on the signal? Does that mean?
That was me, man. A little big.
Yo, this is
and
bro, this is wild.
Believe it or not, this is exactly where the stock one comes out too. It's a direct replacement, so it's just that aggressive from the bolster to here.
Bro, I love this.
Move to the side.
No, don't. Hold on. Hold on. Bro, this is. Yo, my wife is gonna hate this. Oh my God.
But you see how you have to put your, like, you gotta have some type of upper body strength.
Yeah, these seats definitely require. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. That X3 is so comfortable to get in and out of. Dude, the seats so comfortable, and like it's such a nice height too that like you basically just like you kind of just like
you just
squat
glide off
down.
and glide off, yeah.
But I mean, these things are sick.
Yeah, go ahead, sit in it, bro.
Yeah, go for it. Let's make fun of you now. Oh, this freaking guy.
Yeah, it makes you feel like you want to race.
Yeah, it does.
Like, I like this though.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be scared like if I break this.
That's what I'm
the thing,
saying.
yeah, it's so wide. She hits it all the time. She like if you go on that side, it's all foot marks on her.
Yeah, I believe it.
Yeah.
I believe it.
But it looks cool. And the second thing is too, you know, now they're $4,500 to get.
Yeah.
But if you get this and you decide, holy crap, I really want the buckets, you gotta pay insane, like over 10 grand.
Oh.
Retail they go for 30 grand or something like that.
What's
You know,
the carbon buckets?
After, yeah. So if you screw up and you want it after
Sheesh.
from BMW, like 30 something grand.
So you're
you
better
can get
off-
them used off a crash one for less.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you're better off specing these and deciding you don't want them, and then spend a couple grand for regular seats.
Yeah, no,
know?
that's a good point. So
Yeah.
like, if you guys are gonna get one, get the carbon buckets, and then if anything, switch to the other comfort. Do they call them comfort seats?
I don't know.
They're basically comfort
Yeah,
seats.
comfortable seats.
Get the comfortable seats
seats.
afterwards. But yeah. Anyway, so what else? All right. So springs. You lower the car.
AST springs.
AST springs.
Yeah, and what really helps it out are the spacers. These are, I forget
What
what kind of
size?
spacers. These are 13 in the front and 15 in the back.
13?
You can go more aggressive, yeah.
13 in front,
And
15
in the rear.
Let's check out the rear. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I really like the fitment. I mean, you know, like the ride height, everything, the whole setup. Like it looks really good.
Yeah, and this spacer setup is perfect for my type of driving. You can go more aggressive, but I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure you'll rub.
Yeah,
something.
nah, this is good. This is
This-
good. Side skirts, the rock collector, right? The
Yeah,
notorious rock collector.
The leaf collector as well too.
Yeah.
You see it here, little rocks.
Yeah.
On the other side, you might find some leaves, man. Let me see something for you, man.
Yeah, I remember in one of your videos, like you literally like scooping them out.
Oh yeah, no.
The
Well, this
rear
car
bumper.
is pretty much a vacuum when you think about it.
Yeah.
Because with the front grille collecting the leaves and the side skirts.
Yeah, this thing's just collects everything.
That's me. Is these exhaust tips.
Yeah, the exhaust tips are huge.
Oh yeah, they're freaking massive.
You know, you could fist it.
Oh, okay, guys. You got the black wheels. I really like the black wheels.
Yeah,
These things are probably a paint to clean, right? Because I can see yours
yeah,
are powder coated
painted.
brake dust. On the front end, you did the. I don't know if I already said the front lip.
And everything, yeah.
Yeah, the front lip looks sick. You cracked it, right? But it stayed like it held
so
together
this
really well.
part is completely cracked.
It's complete. Oh yeah, because I remember when you took
Yeah.
off. I think you were doing your grill.
Yeah.
And you saw like the bumper took more damage than the actual
Yeah,
lip.
than the actual lip.
Nah, I've broken a few lips on my day, so I can't blame you.
But-
The carbon intakes, those are from Keys as well?
Oh,
Everything's
everything's
from
from
Keys?
Keys carbon,
Everything
yeah.
carbon is from Keys. The grill, bro, this grill, freaking love it, man.
Yeah, I like it a lot too. A lot of people run the CSL grill. I like this. It's a little bit different, and I don't know. I feel like it ties together perfectly.
It
like
does.
this bar right here, it you know, it follows the line.
Yeah, it kind of follows the line. It kind of
Yeah.
breaks it up. Like, it doesn't feel like it's just one big, I mean, it still feels like one big grill.
Yeah.
I'm going to get roasted for saying that. But, like, it's still one big grill, but it just looks
Yeah, we got some.
a lot more. Yeah,
That's it.
another.
My car has the vacuum.
Yeah, another collector. It also looks really good because you got the Shadow Line headlights.
Yeah,
Looks
$300
sick.
option, and they actually,
Yeah.
you know, it'll cost probably 3 times more to just to open them up and get them done. So,
Yeah.
just screw it.
If you're going to get an M4 and M3, honestly, I feel like that's a must. Right?
Now, I would say that I made the mistake, and I've said that millions of times, even though people still get me for it. The laser headlights.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna say it.
Yeah, no,
because I know-
listen, and I get it. You know, the laser headlights do look better. I did not know that there were 2 different designs. I thought the lasers were just laser. I didn't know that however, it's not any less of a car if you don't get it.
No, it's definitely not. And I mean, listen, if you're getting an M3 and M4 and you don't get the laser lights, at the end of the day, you still have an M3 or M4. Oh, one more carbon fiber piece, I think. This right over here, right?
Oh, yeah.
That's carbon?
That's stick on.
Yeah, that's just a stick on. That one's easy. But yeah, otherwise, in terms of the exterior, I think that's everything, right? But all right, so I think we covered everything.
Lowering springs.
Yeah, lowering
Full
springs.
exhaust now, so it has a.
Yeah. So exhaust and performance. Let's go into that.
Had the MSTs when you seen it. Now
Yes.
it's back on stock. It's making a little bit more power. Daler piggyback.
Yep.
Running pretty good. That's just taps into some of the sensors like a JB4. And catalyst downpipe, which is not necessary for this platform, to be 100% honest with you.
All right, so you got catalyst downpipes.
Catalyst downpipes.
AWE full exhaust.
Yeah, so I got their mid pipe and their switch path.
Okay.
The difference between the switch path and the track and straight pipe.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? The pipes go straight out the back. The switch path, it gives you the ability to kind of have both. The valve, it's straight piped with the valves open, and then it goes through the AWE, drone canceling technology and all types of stuff in their
Yeah.
box, right? It sounds good. It changes the tone. That's what I like about AWD. It changes the actual tone.
We're trying not to go crazy and rev the car. Because obviously, like, we don't want to get kicked out of here. If you guys want to properly hear his car rev and all that type of stuff, go check out his channel.
I don't know about properly. Hold on a second.
If you guys want to hear it more than the few revs that we did, go to his channel, check it out.
I send it.
Yeah, he said. Well, we know you send it. If anybody watches my channel. By the way, if you guys didn't watch that video, go check it out because it was hilarious.
I'm the guy, right? I watched the commercial, and they do all this crazy stuff, right? I want to do what the commercial. I bought the car because I want to do what they do in the commercials. You get what I'm saying? You know, what's the point of buying the M4?
The camera can't see it, but I'm shaking my head. Yeah, no, I think you're right. A lot of people also like make fun of these people, anyone who buys these cars, because they're like, oh, they buy these track cars and they drive them to work. And it's like, yeah, but like, there's.
Listen, these days, if you got the money, you do what you want to do.
Yeah,
but
facts. Enjoy the car.
Yeah.
Enjoy the car safely.
Absolutely,
Safely.
Yeah.
Safely.
Especially me.
Yeah. Anyways, I think that's pretty much everything on the car, right? Like that's we went through.
Not a lot for the car to look like how it looks. You know, it's pretty much.
Yeah.
You know, stay tuned.
Do you have anything else in mind, like for anyone who's maybe like going to your channel, anything to look forward to, like any sneak peeks, anything?
I'm gonna be changing up a lot.
Yeah. All right. So we're not gonna give everything away, but he has some plans. He kind of hinted a few things to me. I'm not gonna say it.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say it.
See, that doesn't matter. I mean, people probably expected it anyway.
Yeah.
I have to figure out schedules. 'Cause I gotta go on vacation soon, so when I come back.
Oh, you have to go on vacation, you poor guy. You have to go on vacation, huh? I have to go on vacation.
No.
Well, I have to go on vacation this month. No, I'm joking. Nah, you deserve it. You deserve it.
Yeah, so when I come back, we're gonna film the whole thing.
All right, so you got some. We won't say any more than that, but like you got some big stuff coming for it.
Yeah.
So go subscribe to his channel. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for the M4. Like I said, go subscribe to Slow Speed's channel. I'll also put Justin's TikTok, right? If you guys are on TikTok, I'm not.
And I'm back out here in the cold.
Yeah.
With Eamon.
Unfortunately, bro, that's the struggle, man. Freaking all these California people, just beautiful weather constantly.
Yeah, it was sunny today. Well, it was sunny every other day too, man. Like,
facts.
come on, yeah.
Facts. Us New York YouTubers, us New York YouTubers are the ones struggling. All my boys.
Like and subscribe.
When we did your video, bro, it was brick. It was mad brick. I don't know if people say that outside the video. Mad brick.
Oh, no, I don't
Nah, probably not.
Brick. Honestly, with social media now,
they probably all know.
Everything,
they probably all know. But yeah, I mean, I know there's.
Op now, that's not New York. I don't think.
Yeah, I
He's the
know.
guy you're gonna go shoot.
Demonetized.
I'm gonna go NPC. Not NPC.
Damn,
I think
you're gonna go
NPC.
This video is just complete madness.
Doesn't make sense.
Yeah. All right. Well, I don't. I don't even know, man. It's cold, all right? We're all loopy from the cold. Yeah, it's actually not too bad today. But I'm just saying, there's a lot of YouTubers. Shout out to my boys in Florida. There's a whole bunch in Florida.
Yeah.
You guys deal with some nice weather. I love you guys, but man, we're jealous.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you have a few. The daily drivens out there.
Yeah.
Right?
F80 Ho.
I heard of that guy before.
Yeah, he's mad cool.
F80 Ho.
Yeah. His F80 is like legit. Like it's dope.
Him,
F30 skirt.
there's that many people.
Bro, there's a lot, man. My arm's getting tired. There's a lot.
I gotta watch YouTube more than.
Bro, I watch a lot of YouTube. Like people don't know. Like actually.
I know the daily. Huh? Oh, Vehicle Viral?
Vehicle Viral. That's right.
Look like him a little bit.
No,
kind of do. You're like a slimmer version of him, though. Bro, I'm not lying. Hold on. Does he have an Instagram?
He actually does look like.
I'm about to look at Vehicle Virals. Yo, you look like him a little bit.
While Mike makes stereotypes, anyways, guys, go subscribe to Mike. Go hit up Justin on TikTok. He always makes videos about the 435. So if you guys like the 435, we're doing a lot more stuff to it too. We gotta step your game up with the 435. But yeah, anyways, guys, with that said, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.